Well, Lori, some of the vendors here at the Broad Street Market, for instance, say they just can't afford to stomach the 3% charge that they might get when they swipe your credit card. So they have to pass that price down to you, the consumer. Some lawmakers say they'd like to change that situation and potentially save you a little bit of money when you swipe your card. Tito Tepp says small business owners like himself pay a lot in credit card transaction fees, and it's harder for them to bear the costs of every swipe.
We are not, Walmart or Costco.
House lawmakers advanced legislation this week to bar credit card companies from charging that so-called swipe fee on the sales tax part of a transaction, a move some Democrats say would help businesses and consumers.
The cost is one of the things that a merchant has to struggle with a slim profit margin. They're trying to hold down costs for competition, but they have rising costs on the front end. So they're in a tight spot, and it leads to higher costs for the consumers.
But some Republicans on the House Finance Committee argue the legislation merely passes the costs of doing business to banks and other financial institutions.
What you're proposing is actually, in this case, going to be harmful to smaller financial institutions like community banks and credit unions, who actually are ones who finance the community projects that we want.
Kevin Shivers with the Pennsylvania Association of Community Bankers says the swipe fee helps ensure customers and businesses are connected quickly with banks and other financial institutions, and without issue.
All of that happens in a blink of an eye, but there's a lot of security and there's a lot of cost that goes into maintaining that system to make sure the bad guys don't get involved, to make sure that there's no fraud in the system, to make sure that those transactions happen seamlessly.
Shiver says there's also concern that if this bill were to become law, that a lot of retailers and business owners would have to buy new equipment. He says that a lot of the lobbying right now is from larger chains of restaurants and grocery stores that are trying to save money by passing these costs off to financial institutions. Here in Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.